So now I would like to explain you how to scan with Q4 scanner using encoder with linear axis calibration. I already did these steps, but let me go through again. First of all, I need to go to linear axis calibration mode, and I will move my scanner to the beginning and to the end. Hopefully the encoder minimum and encoder maximum positions are updated. And then I need to enter the length of this distance. This is when you finish this, you need to change your mode to encoder with linear axis calibration. Okay, so from now on, axis is calibrated. I have 2 coins, and with this mode, Y resolution is not important. You can make it whatever it is. It just doesn't play any role. Okay. The important thing is number of profiles. There is no any rule how to calculate number of profiles. It is based on your speed. Let's keep it 200 right now. I already made this scan, but I will make it again. So I run it. In this mode, if I run it and if I don't move it, it's not triggered and it's not filling the buffer. So if we don't move it, we will wait infinitely. I need to move it to trigger. So I make a quick movement. Okay, so it was a quick movement. So you see the coins are in round shape. That's good. Yeah. Now let's make another example. Let's make this 400. And I will scan one coin slow and the other one much faster. Okay, so I run it. With the first coin I'm a bit slower, but with the second one I'm faster. So you can see the difference between 2 coins. They are still round, which is good, but the density of the profiles has been changed. Why? Because I changed my velocity in between. So yes, as I said, the only important parameter in here is number of profiles. Basically, you know the capability of the scanner. It acquires 200 profiles per second. Basically, if your movement takes 2 seconds, then it can fill the buffer. Yeah, if we make it 1000, then it needs 5 seconds of travel to fill the buffer size. Let's try it with this 1000. In order to fill 1000 buffer, I need 5 seconds of travel. So I can be a bit slower. Okay. I finished my scanning. You can see with more profiles you have more detailed, better point clouds. Okay, thank you for watching.